Yo, hey, day number 93. Let's continue doing speaking challenge. My speaking challenge, I'm talking every day on camera until get fluency in English, until I will speak properly as a native speaker. At least we need to try. Day 93 of 100 speaking challenge. Let's talk, bro. First question, do you prefer to pursue higher education immediately after graduation or to first gain some work experience? Definitely prefer to pursue higher education immediately after graduation because university, it is a great fun environment where you can find a lot of opportunities for yourself and discover all these worlds, at the same time be surrounded by your mates, your group mates, with guys you're the same age, your peers with cool ideas, and you can find what you really want to do in life, because after school you're mostly people not sure what kind of work and job they're gonna get, and some going in some random work just for experience. You will spend years. In the second task, the man expresses his opinion about the proposal in a student's letter. I will summarize briefly. The letter was about unpaved tracks for running, and the university has decided to pave these tracks. This man is a runner, and he said that university hasn't really thought through this idea, because when they will change the tracks, when they pave this, it will become a hard surface, and it isn't actually safe for your health. When you run constantly in a hard surface, it will affect your bones and in general body. So it's not gonna become safer for runners. And the second point is about how it looks, because they're planning to change it from the natural look, from the natural way to a pavement, and it will look just like a regular streets. How did the example given in the lecture illustrate the philosophical concept of altruism? I would describe altruism, it is your actions when you've done something not because you want to get rewards or for your own profit. You've done it just to help people from the bottom of your heart. You want to help them without any reward to give something back. One of the examples of altruism, according to this lecture, it is a woman who was a doctor during the war, and she went to the battlefield to help warriors, to help army, to treat someone, and no matter that it was like a dangerous situation, she could die, and other nurses, they just step back. She needs to go there and help people. Question number 4. What is the upward conditioning and how is it used to shape behavior? Upward conditioning, it is an effective way of learning new behavior, and there are several types of operations. There are positive, negative reinforcement and positive, negative punishment. Positive reinforcement, and when you cheer someone by rewards, by a good treatment for excellent behavior, for if he's done what he was supposed to do. For example, when you give a dog food for a good action, like you treat him. However, there are another side with the punishment. We can consider the situation when a schoolboy didn't do homework on time. As a punishment, the parents forbid him to use computer. So it will all affect the future behavior. Quick review today was it was tough, it was difficult to express my thoughts. I don't know why. Familiar questions, really familiar, but maybe, oh my god, maybe I just feel this. Okay, we need to do 7 more days. I hope you're doing great. Have a nice day, everyone. Let's go practice.